Today, we're updating a shower handle using a Delta Multi-Coice 17 series trim kit. This kit works with a variety of Delta valves and is a great way to refresh the look of your shower without replacing the valve body or tearing out any tile. Let's walk through the installation step by step. Tools and materials: Delta 17 series trim kit, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, adjustable wrench, Allen wrench if needed, utility knife optional, towel or rag. Step 1. Remove old parts. Start by pulling or prying off the cover on the temperature control knob. Remove the retaining screw and slide out the temperature control. Next, take out the rotational limit stop. Pull off the handle. Unscrew the escutcheon cover plate and remove it. Slide off the trim sleeve and the old O-ring. Step 2. Install new trim sleeve and O-ring. Place the new O-ring just behind the nut that holds the cartridge in place. Slide on the new trim sleeve. The O-ring works as a spacer to keep it secure. Step 3. Install the escutcheon. Position the new escutcheon cover over the sleeve and line up the screw holes. Install the screws and tighten them until they're just snug. Be careful not to over-tighten. Step 4. Reinstall the handle assembly. Line up the grooves on the new handle with the grooves on the cartridge. The handle should be on the right side. Reinstall the limit stop. It's marked with H and C for hot and cold. The tab on the handle controls how far the limit stop can rotate. Start with the tab position between H and C. Step 5. Adjust hot water limit. Place the temperature control knob over the limit stop with its extended tab to the left of the tab on the main handle. Secure it with the screw. Now, turn on the water with the main handle and adjust the temperature control to test your hot water range. If needed, remove the screw and reposition the limit stop to prevent scalding. Step 6. Final touch. Once you're happy with the temperature setting, snap the cover cap over the temperature control. And that's it! You've successfully upgraded your Delta shower handle with the 17 series trim kit, a simple project that gives your shower a fresh, updated look.